It involves a lot of body and a lot of charisma, a lot of gestures and hands as well. I'm not master my hands yet, but I'm going to do something called El Rocío. In a few days, I'm going to do something so cool and I wanted to make you be part of it. You probably don't know what is El Rocío because only really Spanish people know what is El Rocío. Usually tourists or people from other countries don't know what is this. So let me explain very quickly what is El Rocío and why I'm so excited to share this with you. So what is actually El Rocío? Well, El Rocío is really like a town, a very small town in Huelva. And it's a celebration that we do one time a year and it's super special because it's only one time a year. Thousands and thousands of people travel from all over Spain to this place to honor the Virgin called El Rocío. As you know, or maybe you don't know, in Spain we have many virgins and we have many different names for each of these virgins. Some people pray to a specific one of these virgins for love, for health, for abundance and many other things. And people believe this is very powerful and it becomes real. So to honor this Virgin del Rocío, we do something that is called El Camino. Back in the days was many days walking and still many places that walk from Córdoba, from Sevilla and other places. They walk to this town to honor the Virgin. There's so many people who believe and have a strong faith on Virgen del Rocío. But this is not only a peregrination and is not only about religious. It's many more things and this is why it makes it El Rocío very, very special because there is music, there is food, there is people dancing and singing Sevillanas, which I actually took intensive classes 2 weeks ago for just a weekend. I'm gonna talk about that later, so stay to the end to get to know what is the Sevillanas, because no, it's not flamenco and is a dance that we do during this kind of parties and other things, so I'll explain that later. So yeah, what also makes it unique is that a lot of women and men, of course, everyone there is dressing very, very traditional. This is one of the most traditional experiences you can ever have. People wear something called batas, picos and many other things that are very special for this day. But El Rocío is one of these experiences that you can only really feel it and really understand it when you live it. So I invite you to stay tuned on my channel because I'm gonna be posting videos about that place. I'm gonna go there, so I will show you exactly and real life how we celebrate this time. I'm gonna show you all the food, what we do, the dancing, how we dress, and I'm gonna show you as well all the village. So yeah, I will show you in the future videos because we are still not there. We are preparing right now to go there. So obviously one of the things that we do in El Rocío is to dance something called Sevillanas. Well, Sevillanas, people, because we are dressing like kind of flamenco dresses, think that is flamenco, but no, flamenco is very it has very different things, so this is not flamenco. But to make it simple, we can kind of say it's a type kind of flamenco, but it's not really, but it's a dance that is divided in 4 dances. And it's so interesting because people use it to flirt. Before, back in the days, there was not social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, even emails. So how people were getting to know each other or were getting closer to each other was by dancing these Sevillanas. And it's a dance that people do it very, very close to each other. It involves a lot of body and a lot of charisma, a lot of gestures and hands as well. I'm not master my hands yet, but I really want to do it. For the moment, I just know a little bit the feet and just a little bit the hands, but it's not easy dance at all. It's not really easy, but it's very, very creative. So as I was saying before, I signed for classes. I went to like an intensive lessons of Sevillanas. It was just for the weekend, so it was 2 days, 4 hours for 4 to 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry, 3 hours, my bad, my maths, 3 hours, 3 horas, And during these lessons, we learned the 4 Sevillanas, primera, segunda, tercera, cuarta, 4 Sevillanas. And this place, it was in Centro Madrid, Anton Martin, and it cost like only 80 euro, and honestly, it's such a cool experience. Even in this place, I was hearing English, I was hearing also French, so if you are also not fluent in Spanish, you can also take lessons in English or in other languages. I think they might have more than English. It was a group of girls and the teacher was amazing. That teacher was from South Spain, somewhere called Jerez de la Frontera, where they have so much art, so much. When we say someone has art, like someone has a lot of creativity, passion, and is a way that we say that are very talented too. So ella tiene mucho arte. So right now I'm really preparing everything. I'm very embarrassed to show you my room right now, so I prefer not to do it, but maybe I will share a picture somewhere here to show you the dresses hanging. We iron all the dresses, all the costumes, we have all the picos done, we have the shoes ready, all the flowers that we put, flores, pendientes, earrings, and everything ready. I even had a list saying everything for the clothes, for the everything, even like things for the feet, for cream, for everything. I had to write it down because it's a lot and you cannot miss anything because it's a very small town that has everything. But I'm telling you that there's gonna be at least they are calculating that it's gonna be around 1 million in a town that usually live 1,300 people during the year. So it's gonna be very crazy. So you don't know if you're gonna have the chance to buy anything, and especially once you get there, you park the car and you cannot move it from anywhere. I mean, you cannot move it from that parking, so you cannot really take the car to go to the next village or to go to another city to buy anything you need. So you really need to go prepare. So I am very excited to live this experience because this is such a Spanish experience. It's real Spain, no touristic stuff. Is really, really real Spanish culture. So I'm so happy to share with you, and you can be there with me and show you everything that I'm gonna be doing, and it's gonna be very excited. Muy guay. Very cool. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss the next video that I'm gonna be sharing all the good stuff from El Rocío, and you are gonna see how really is this experience. It's such a cool experience, you cannot miss it. And I see you there. I see you on the next video. Adios, ciao, chicas.